So recently someone asked me what I do for self-care, and as a stay-at-home mom or just a person living during pandemic, that was kind of a hard question to answer, because for me, self-care used to mean making time for a pedicure or going for a walk by myself. But I have 3 small children. By myself isn't really a part of my life anymore. Good morning. Hi everyone, I'm Steph. I'm the Secret Slob. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome for the first time. So when I first started this channel, I called it the Secret Slob because that's exactly how I felt. I felt like on the outside, I looked like I had it all together, but on the inside, I was totally falling apart. And it wasn't just my house that was a mess. It was me. If I wasn't going out to see people or people weren't coming over, I wouldn't have a shower, I wouldn't get dressed. It was so bad. Not taking good care of myself was making the problem worse, was making me feel sad, sick, burnt out, lonely. Being a new mom is just about the most lonely feeling ever. And above all, I was overwhelmed. So once I started this system and getting back on track with my house, I realized that I have to put myself first. I cannot take care of my children, my house, my marriage if I do not put care and time into myself. So that's what I do now. And you can see my kids still demand a lot of time and attention, but I add things in that are just for me, that make me feel loved, that make me feel important, and just give me that little extra energy that I need so badly. If you're not working self-care into your daily routine, then that is just a recipe for overwhelm and burnout. So today I'm going to show you a few really simple things you can add into your morning routine. It won't take you any extra time, and just add that little self-care element that I know so many of us need so badly right now. Good morning. So I just woke up. So this is how I start. I wake up, I just heard my kids get up, and my husband actually gets up earlier than I do. So he got them up and he kind of gets them started. And I think I'm gonna get my workout clothes on and do a little workout. It always makes me feel awake and ready to go. The first thing I do in the morning is I grab a glass of water. It's actually warm water, and I'll squeeze a lemon in there. I learned it from a friend who went to India, and she told me, you know, this is the way they start their morning, and now I swear by it. So today my husband actually got up earlier. He has to go to work early. And so instead of me being able to go downstairs to the gym and do my workout, I'm gonna just do it here while my kids eat their breakfast. Like, that should work, right? We have to modify things on the fly with little kids, so I'm just gonna try this. I don't need a lot of space. It's a no equipment workout, so I'll just go for it here. There is nothing that makes me feel ready for the day, ready to tackle anything, really wakes me up, gets my body ready to go, than doing a quick workout. I love using free workouts on YouTube. You know, I'm a YouTuber. I love supporting other YouTubers, so I'll link to a few of my favorite below. Today I'm gonna do a workout from Sydney Cummings. I'm just totally in love with her workouts. They're different every day. They're challenging, but you can modify it if you're kind of feeling tired or like you can't do something. And she's just so positive, and she gives such a positive message. I highly recommend her. Okay, so workout's not going quite as planned. We're just in the mood for hugs today, so let's see, I'm like 20 minutes in. Should we see if we can do a little bit more? A little bit more, okay. Try and get a little bit more done. I already feel pretty good, I'm pretty sweaty. Oh, we can probably call it quits now too. All right, so workout was
you know, kind of a fail. We had to cut it short for parenting. I should have just got up earlier in the morning, but it's okay. I got 20 minutes in and I do feel awake and ready to start the day. And you know, getting most of it done most of the time is the name of the game here. I gotta go. So when my kids are fed, I kind of did my workout. Now I'm gonna make my breakfast. This is my all-time favorite breakfast. I probably eat it 6 out of 7 days every single morning, and it's toast with avocado or vegetables, or sometimes I'll put cheese or peanut butter and jam. I just love open-faced toasted sandwiches. So a little way that I add self-care into this is, 1, I eat my favorite breakfast every day, and 2, I add this really nice truffle oil that I bought at an artisan store here, and it makes it so good. It makes me feel like I'm eating a fancy breakfast in a cafe in Paris, even though I'm just here in my house. And so just adding these little things in, like having your favorite foods for breakfast, or just making a little extra special with, you know, an expensive ingredient, make it special for you. It's just another way you can add self-care into your daily routine. So that didn't go as expected at all, but it's real life, and I thought maybe I would start again tomorrow and make a new video when everything was like better, but it's real life and I'd rather you see what's really going on. So the kids are now asleep. Well, the baby's asleep, the girls are watching a movie. I'm gonna let them watch a movie for like 20 minutes while I just get ready for the day. This is my favorite part of my morning routine. My bed is made, the dishwasher's unloaded. I haven't done anything else, but I'm gonna get ready for the day. So I just feel fresh and clean, and this sweater is already dirty. Crazy. Okay, getting ready for the day. So I know I've mentioned it a few times already in this video, but I'm a stay-at-home mom, and that means I usually don't leave the house, or if I do, it's just to quickly run out and do something, but I'm not going to work outside the home. I don't need to really dress up for my job. But one thing I found that made a huge difference is wearing clothes that make me feel amazing. They're comfortable, they're functional. You know, if they get stained, they're not getting wrecked. I'm not wearing fancy silk blouses, but I'm really trying to transition my wardrobe into pieces that make me feel fantastic. You don't have to get dressed up for other people. Sometimes we just get dressed up for ourselves. So I really have tried to make my home clothes make me feel just as good as if I was getting dressed up for an event or something. Self-care isn't about being fancy or going the whole 9 yards with your makeup and clothes, but it is about feeling good about who you are and feeling comfortable. So this is definitely something I recommend if you're feeling kind of gross or uncomfortable. Pick out some clothes that you feel fantastic in and make sure they fit. Nothing worse than when something's too tight or pulling or itchy. Ugh, the worst. So my makeup routine is something that I definitely wouldn't have done in the past if I wasn't leaving my house. However, since I started using the Fly Lady system, I learned about getting dressed all the way to shoes. If you don't want to wear shoes, that's fine, but for me, I love wearing my house shoes and putting on a little bit of makeup or doing your hair. Now, I know makeup is a totally personal thing. You may not feel comfortable wearing makeup, and you may feel comfortable wearing tons of makeup. It's very personal. It's totally up to you. There are no rules. The only important thing is that you feel good every day. So I like to wear a little bit of makeup. You might not, or you might want to wear a lot of makeup. One really great tip I have for any kind of hair, face, makeup routine that you have is make sure you keep the products you're using every day separate in an easy to reach spot. You don't want to have to be digging through for stuff. And the other thing is practice your makeup face. So I use the same products every single day, pretty much in the same order every day. I can do it without thinking. Anything you can do to make your routine more automatic and easy for yourself, it's just gonna save you so much time and frustration in the morning. So figure out exactly how you wanna do your hair, exactly how you wanna do your makeup, practice it, and then hone it down to the products that work perfectly for you. And again, if you don't wanna wear makeup, you don't wanna do your hair, hey, wash your face in the mornings, put some moisturizer on, brush your hair, and you're good to go. As long as you feel fabulous, that's all that counts. So this is how I wear my makeup pretty much every day. It's a face that I've practiced lots of times, and so I know how to do it super quickly, and then I can just get ready without really thinking too much about it or having to scrounge around for too much makeup. dry, I might just blow dry it a little bit, and it's like, I don't know, I guess this is okay, but I like to do it nicely. I used to have long hair. I've had long hair for years, and then as soon as I had kids, I found that I was just wearing it in a ponytail all the time. So it did look really nice when it was down and I did it, but I never did it. So for me, the solution to having hair that looks, you know, like I care about myself every day is to have short hair. It doesn't take as long to dry, it doesn't take as long to wash, it doesn't take as long to style, and because I can't really put it in a ponytail, I can put it in a little stubby, I'm way more likely to actually do it every day. So I just basically take little sections, I put my heat iron, I'm gonna be careful not to burn my hair off, put my heat iron, and then I just pull it, and then you just don't pull it all the way through, just stop before the end, and it just leaves a little curl. Take hairspray, okay, and I just kind of mist it all over. And then the last thing I do is just put my fingers in, shake it out, and there we go. That's basically how I do my hair pretty much every day. This is basically it, and yeah, it works for me. Self-care isn't something that we need to be setting aside special time for. There are special times, but it can and really does need to be worked into, you know, every aspect of your day, from, you know, taking care of our bodies, our skin, our mental health, nourishing ourselves with foods that are good for us and that we love to eat, and focusing on just little things that are gonna bring us pleasure throughout the day. If you're going to have coffee in the morning, buy the one that you love and fix it the way you love. You know, froth your milk, add special creamers, whatever you want to do. Choose clothing and shoes that make you feel comfortable, make you feel fantastic. Get your hair cut in a way that's easy for you to take care of, easy to maintain, and then looks fabulous and you love it. Figure out a way that you're going to fix your makeup every day, or if you don't want to wear makeup, hey, find a really great skincare routine that just makes you feel like you are really taking extra care of yourself. And then just add those quiet moments in. Lay on your bed for 5 minutes, read a book, call a friend. Take every opportunity in your day to take care of yourself. Taking good care of yourself helps you be the best person that you can and helps you take care of others around you. So I hope you found this helpful. Make sure you check out the other morning routines from the Mega Motivation playlist. I'll link to it below, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.